This is one of the ways, just one of the ways of how to compare companies in an industry against each other. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our stock market series, and more specifically, how to compare companies in an industry with each other. So, all right, here we are. We left off last time kind of laying out the information that we're going to be looking for, and how we're going to do this is we're going to use the same kind of technique. We're going to go through and run through our grouped by. Then we're going to create a dictionary that is going to have our industry in it, and then we're going to look at how to take that dictionary and put it into a data frame so we can actually start to look at it. So all right, let's just go ahead and get after it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We take one topic and we build upon it and we build upon it and we build upon it. So we have right now, we have we have grouped by tickers. So let's just go ahead and look at this. All right, so we have a dictionary that has keys of an industry, and then inside that we have a data frame for said industry. So let's look at group tickers, and let's look at household products. Let's just look right here. Okay, so household products industry has 12 companies grouped into it, but right now we can't really tell which these are until you learn a couple of them. I recognize that and that. Those are really, well, that's a really old name. So let's go ahead and take a peek at this. So we got household grouped by, we could use that later. Okay, cool. So let's look at household. And then we really need to shorten this up to only have this, really, right? So remind you, iLoc, all the rows, just these two columns. Household. Aha, here we go. Let's go ahead and put this over here too. All right, so we got Energizer, Colgate-Palmolive, Clorox, Kimberly-Clark, and Procter & Gamble, and WD-40. So those are, we know those. So now we need to set up, and we're going to do our old what we did last time, where we're going to create we need to get all the tickers out. So we know how to do this. So we take our data frame and we convert it into a list. So just the ticker symbol, the column symbol, and pull the values out, turn it into a list for tickers. And then what we're going to do is household data frame. It's going to be a dictionary right now. So we're going to pull this in, make it a dictionary, get we're going to do each row, then we're going to do a key with each ticker, then put it into a dictionary, and then I'll show you how to turn that into a data frame so we can spit it out, really start to look at it. And then maybe graph it one more, and then we'll have an idea, and then we'll probably start wrapping this up. But okay, we got that. Now let's do we got our tickers, we got our data, we got our dictionary, so let's just run through it. So, and this is a lot of typing, and and I don't want you to just sit here and waste your time and also then have me make a mistake typing and you want to kill yourself watching me. So we know what we're doing here. We're taking our ticker, we're running this through our Y Finance. We're using our info. So we're getting our price, we're getting our profit margin, we're getting our PE, we're getting our PEG ratio, and then right here we're doing our percentage of 52-week high. and that's in a list. Then we're dumping this into our dictionary and so on. So we have this already pre-done. So, aha, so here we go. Ticker, our list right here. Ticker, our list right there. So now we need to look at this. And this is something new. So now we need to learn how to take this, our dictionary, and put it into a data frame. This is something new we have not done yet. So this is also why I wanted to break this out. So Pandas, data frame from Dict, from dictionary, from a Python dictionary. You pass it the data. Now you orient index row. We're going through. If you leave that out, what Pandas default will do, it will go column by column by column. We want to go each row. That's why index and columns. So now, and then we're going to name these ourselves: price, margin, PE, peg, percentage of high. So let's look at this. Boom. Here we go. So now let's sort it. Here's one more thing we have not done. So data frame equals sort values, not index, okay? Values. And then let's look at, then you're going to pass it a column. Peg. Now, here's two more that are important that you'll want to mess with. Ascending, or if you want to leave this as your main data frame, you won't use in place. You'll need to assign this right here. If you do not use in place, it's going to return something. And we all know that return means create. So if you do not use in place, it will just go away. You'll see it, but it'll go away. But if you then assign this and do not use in place, you then have two data frames, same information, sorted differently. All right. And if you need me to explain that, drop a comment down below. We'll leave ascending for right now, and then we'll just do in place true. All right, and data frame. Here we go. So pegs, this is closer to real, and it's got a 13 PE, but right now Energizer's losing money, and it's 81% from its high. So now let's do this. Let's do percent of high, and then we'll do ascending false. Oops. Sort values. And I can't spell ascending. Okay. Percent of H. Ascending dot false. And in place true. Data frame, sort my values. And percent of H. Comma ASCEND, i.e. false. Oh, it was in place that I misspelled. Okay. And then DF. So now we have which one of these are closer to their 52-week high. So there we go, guys. A little bit longer video. That's why I had a feeling we needed to break this out. But this is one of the ways, just one of the ways of how to compare companies in an industry against each other. The margins, the PEG, the PE, how it's trading against itself and comparing to others. You could even add where is it off its 52-week change compared to the S&P 52-week change. So there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.